Oh. Hi, this is Kevin Merritt, and this is Chapter 4, Homework 5, and here's the code. So, I pulled up the question on the left as a reference, and here's the code on the right, and what I did was import a turtle so we can get started on drawing. And I set up the screen, wn equals turtle.screen, set up the background color to light green. I set up Tess and assigned her to turtle. I set the color of Tess to blue to match with the question. Set the pen size to 2. And I put the speed to 99 so that when running the code it'll draw really, really quickly. And here I defined 2 functions. Here is the first one. It's the first spiral. And here it is. I defined half square n, and n is basically how many individual half squares are going to be drawn. And I did a for loop statement for I in range 1, n. And I did test right 90 degrees and test forward, so it creates the little tiny squares. And in the forward, I did I times 2 because the half square slowly gets bigger by 2. So for every 1 that it goes up, for every n, it goes up by 2. So for example, 1 to 1 is 1 times 2, goes forward 2. And if n was 2, it would go 2 times 2, it would go forward 4, and it would slowly get larger, creating this spiral. And that's how this picture on the left is going to be created. And for this function right here, I defined spiral underscore square of n, and it's basically the same thing as this one, except for the angle is changed. And instead of 90 degrees, which is up here, I set it to 89, which will create this spiral effect. And down here, this is just code to separate these two, so that this function right here, the regular spiral, is going to be on the left side of the screen, and I made it so that turtle would set up on the right side of the screen for this other spiral over here. And if we run the code, Control S, F5, you can see that it draws it on the left, and it draws the second spiral on the right. And that, if we put it side by side next to each other, there we go. They match up. And that's it. Chapter 5, Chapter 4, sorry. Homework number 5. This is Kevin Merritt signing out. And yes, see you on Monday, Mr. Clark Woman.